is all about the people. That's what I'm passionate about. Companies sometimes tend to say people are our greatest assets. Well, I don't like this expression. People are no assets. It is how we empower them that really matters. We must invest as a company in their development and enable them to gain the skills, capabilities and knowledge that they need for KPMG. Every year we hire several hundreds of new colleagues. Sometimes candidates already sign their contract up to 9 months before actual commencement. Well, at KPMG we have revamped our onboarding process, starting from the 4 C's. Onboarding is about clarification, compliance, culture and connection, the 4 C's. And onboarding does not start on the first day at work, that's already too late. At KPMG we already start engaging with the new recruits once they have signed their contract, so sometimes up to 9 months before the actual first day at work. Now you want to know more about what this onboarding process looks like in practice? Well then join me in April in Slovenia for the HR Summit. I'll see you there.